So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, a no contact love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of Feb 2026. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, honey, this is not your story. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass too, links are given below. So, let's start. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Knight of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Star card. Wow, Pisces. Someone here is feeling like they should connect with you. They feel like they can't wait anymore. They feel like they were watching and waiting and hoping for something to happen in this direction, and now they feel like they can't wait anymore. Somebody here feels like coming forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, genuine feelings, genuine energy of connecting with you, reconnecting with you. Bottom of the deck is the Star card. Somebody here feels very hopeful and positive because they feel very optimistic. Somebody here feels like keeping the energy very optimistic and positive, and coming forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, some kind of genuine heartfelt kind of feelings. Maybe for some kind of peaceful resolution or a confession of love. Awesome. Because they feel like they should heal the situation between you and them, and they feel like they can't wait any longer for anything to change. This is their feelings for you. Good. Lovely feelings. Lovely. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Pisces. We have the Page of Pentacles, Judgment, Nine of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Star again. This person definitely wants to heal the situation between you and them. They want to let go of this anxiety, this depression, this overthinking, this creating stories and scenarios in their head. They're tired of draining themselves by creating stories and scenarios in their head that might or might not be true. So this person wants to come forward towards you with some kind of brand new chapter, brand new offer of friendship, brand new offer of let's start from the scratch, let's start from the start, let's start from scratch, because I want to heal the situation between you and me, Pisces. So this person is very much open to the idea of healing the situation between you and them. They can't wait any longer, and they want to, let go of the anxiety, the depression, the stressful energies, the, continuously creating stories in their head about everything between you guys, continuously overthinking. This person wants to come towards you with a fresh offer, with a fresh energy. Awesome. Feelings are good, intentions are good. Let's see their actions, if any, by the end of this month, Pisces. You are the first sign, I guess, who is giving me a very clear cut reading, like clear cut messages. I don't have to explain much. Awesome. Thank you. So we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, Pisces. I think you're the second sign who got a very positive reading. Slowly, like, the tables are turning in their favor, and somehow this person is feeling like coming forward towards you with some kind of beautiful offer. So you can expect this person coming forward towards you with a very beautiful offer of, okay, let's start from the start and let's get married, let's get settled. Wow. If this reading is resonating with you, if this is possible, then only it's going to happen. If they are not into you anymore, they told you clearly they don't like you, they don't want to be with you, don't lose your mind. Don't be a dumb fuck, dumb ass person. If it is not possible, not happening then. If this is possible, you guys had some kind of misunderstanding, but you love each other, and you know that this person is having this kind of feelings for you, and they are ready to move forward with you. There are very good chances this person is going to come back around, flip the page, and come forward towards you with some kind of beautiful offer of marriage, commitment, long-term partnership. For some of you, if you guys were already married, there are very high chances that somebody is coming forward to you to save this marriage with you. Nine of Pentacles, maybe they had to free themselves from something or someone to be with you, or now they know that you are single and you're available. Now they want to take a shot here. whatever it is, this is a really beautiful message. This is a really beautiful reading for you guys, and this is very clear cut. I don't have to do any hard work here. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, honey. So we have Five of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is Six of Cups. Just because you guys had a very, very beautiful history together, just because you guys had a very beautiful soulmate kind of a dynamic at some point of time, it doesn't mean that everything is going to be the same again. You know? So don't forget the reason why you guys fell apart, why you guys separated, why you guys had to go no contact to make this person come towards you like this. Hmm? So if there was toxicity, negativity, there was codependency, there was something unhealthy in the situation, this person was continuously making you feel like left out in the cold again and again, the same pattern were repeating. Make sure that you guys are going to talk about those things very, very honestly with each other before you are going to move forward in this direction, and before you are going to call it like the love of your life or something. Make sure you guys are going to talk about whatever happened between you guys, why it happened, and how it impacted both of you, and what you guys are going to do about it. Then only move forward slowly but surely. Don't jump into the conclusion, don't jump into the energy of okay, let's get married tomorrow. Give it some time, be friends first again, start from the start, be friends first, and talk about all like that whatever happened. Don't ignore that part, keep that part in your mind, talk to your person very, very honestly about that part. Okay, and then slowly but surely take this situation forward. And if you feel and realize the situation is changing, the energies are shifting, and it's going in your favor, then only move forward. Otherwise, I think you should pull like your brakes and let it go. Okay, if they are not ready to give it time, if they are not ready to put in the effort and energy, if both of you, actually not them only, both of you are not ready to put in the effort and energy and take it slow to the point of being friends and understanding each other's energies from the start, then I think this situation is going to fade away again if not taken care of properly. Hmm? And honestly, that's the deal. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to a love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate, as it's also general. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. Okay. And what else? I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask a question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay. Get more information. Okay. See, told ya. Instead of jumping into the connection right away, take it, give it some time and get more information about this particular person, this situation, this dynamics, everything. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances, then move forward. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.